Hi guys, welcome to my channel Mother's Flavor. My name is Nikita and today's recipe is tomato rice cooked in coconut milk. Here I'm adding coconut milk instead of the normal regular water that we add to make our rice is because coconut milk adds lovely flavor to this and it goes along really well with the tomatoes. Now to make our tomato rice in coconut milk, we'll be needing the following ingredients. Firstly, here I have taken about 1 cup of rice. This is Basmati rice that I am using. I haven't washed it or I haven't done anything to it. I haven't even soaked it in water. I'm just going to be using it just like that. 1 tablespoon of oil, 1 tablespoon of ghee, 3 tomatoes which I have chopped finely, 2.5 chilies which I have chopped, 1 onion which I have chopped. In the khada masalas, I'll be using 1 bay leaf, 1.5 inch of cinnamon, 3 cloves, 2 cardamoms, 10 to 12 cloves of garlic and half inch of ginger which I have coarsely pasted, salt to taste, and last but not the least 2 cups of coconut milk. Here what I have done is I have bought the ready-made coconut milk which is easily available in the stores which comes up to 1 cup. To that I have added another cup of water and I have diluted it. So to make our tomato rice, firstly we'll have to heat our cooker on medium flame. Once our cooker is heated, we will add in 1 tablespoon of oil and around half a tablespoon of ghee. The ghee here is optional. Once your ghee is melted, we'll add in our khada masalas. Once our khada masalas release all its oil content, we'll add in our chilies. Once our chili starts to splutter, we'll add in our onion. Saute the onion till they turn slightly brown in color. Keep your flame on medium or medium low. As you can see, our onions have started turning brown in color. Now we will add in our ginger and garlic paste. Saute the ginger and garlic paste for about 10 seconds. After 10 seconds, we will add in our tomatoes. Keep your flame on medium while you're sauteing your tomatoes. After you add your tomatoes, also add about 1 teaspoon of salt to this so that it fastens up the cooking process of our tomatoes. Cook your tomatoes till they become nice and mushy like this, and also till it reduces in its water content a bit. As you can see, our tomatoes have got mushy. It has also reduced in its water content. So now we'll add in the garam masala and give it a nice stir. We'll turn off the heat and let this mixture cool down for a minute after you add the garam masala. Once your mixture cools down, add coconut milk to this. Here it's important to switch off your gas, cool down the mixture for about a minute and then add the coconut milk. If you add the coconut milk into the hot pan, then there are chances that your coconut milk might split. So now we'll again turn off the heat on medium flame. Let this cook. The addition of coconut milk to your tomato rice will actually make your tomato rice really creamy and very nice. And also, since you are adding coconut milk to your tomato rice, coconut milk will be sweet, so it gives a very nice flavor along with the sourness of the tomato. Meanwhile, we'll just go and wash our rice. This mixture come to a boil. Also add salt to this. Give it a nice mix. As you can see, there are bubbles coming up here. So at this point of time, add in the washed rice to this and give it one nice mix with gentle hands. We'll close the cooker lid and let it cook on medium-high flame for about 2 whistles and low flame for about 3 whistles. Now after about 2 whistles, we'll turn our flame to low and we'll let it cook for another whistle on low flame. After another whistle on low flame, we'll just turn off our heat and we'll let the cooker cool down and release all its pressure. Now our cooker has released all its pressure. Now we will just open the lid and we'll just check on it. Yeah, I'm just taking a fork and removing all the steam from the below so that our rice does not continue cooking. Yeah, as you can see, our tomato rice is cooked really well and all the grains are also separated really well. So now tomato rice is ready. We transfer this into our serving bowl and we'll garnish it with a slice of lime. So there you go, our tomato rice in coconut milk is ready. I hope you guys really enjoyed the video. If you really liked the video, then do hit the like button and also do subscribe to my channel and do press the bell notification which is there right next to the subscription button so that you get the notification of all the videos as soon as I upload them. Thank you.